Hi, and welcome back to my channel, where I talk about many different ways to make money online. If you want to be one of the first to see these new opportunities, go ahead and click on the subscribe button and hit the bell notification. GrabPoints is a website where you get paid to answer surveys, watch videos or complete offers, and it works worldwide. I will put the link in the description below, where you get 500 points simply by signing up. Once you click on this link, it will redirect you to this page where you can choose to sign up using your email address, Facebook or Google. Now that you're signed up, you will automatically earn your 500 points bonus that you can see up there on the top right corner. I currently have 372 points because I already cashed out with them. If you watch this video until the end, you will see my payment proof, the details of the points I've earned since I've joined the site, and I will also complete an offer. Okay, so first I will go through the offer section. Offers often change and vary depending on where you live. For example, here in Ireland, where I'm based, the first 3 offers are online gambling websites where you need to deposit at least $20 to earn cash back. Then some others are websites where you need to sign up using a credit card, and here that's a gaming offer. I don't want to enter my credit card information or complete this gaming offer, so instead I would complete this Nordic offer where they claim you can earn 1,073 points or $1.07 if you sign up to their website and earn 10,000 points. So this is actually a survey website called Nordic.me. I will sign up using Facebook and try to complete the requirements to get my reward on GrabPoints. So they gave me 1 point for signing up with Facebook, which means I still have 9,999 points left to earn. So I will filter by category and choose survey. Okay, let's try this one that pays 4,625 points. So I paused the video and completed the survey, and I now have 4,626 points. I will complete a few others and hopefully get my 10,000 points. Okay, so I've now earned 13,176 points on Nordic.me, the equivalent of $2.64. Their minimum withdrawal amount is $25 on this website, and it took me a little while to reach that amount. So I don't really recommend you guys to complete this one. But as you can see, I now have 1,445 points on GrabPoints. So it did work, and I got my points for completing this offer. Now I will go to my personal earnings. The very first one is the offer I just completed, worth 1,073 points. And before that, I completed a few surveys, but as you can see, I haven't been very active since I've joined this website. The very last one, worth 500 points, you see there, is the bonus I earned when I signed up using someone's referral link, like the one I put in the description. So another way to get paid is to answer surveys from these survey routers. This term basically means that you can choose from different online surveys. Here, for example, you can select Survey Time, Peanut Labs, Pulfish, etc. I already made a video about survey time before, showing my personal payment proof after completing a survey. You can click on top of the video now to see it if you're interested. So the way it works is that if I go to Revenue Wall, for example, you can see a list of different surveys that shows how many points you can earn for each and how long it will take you to complete them. Now I will go to the Watch section, and this is basically earning points by watching videos with ads through Hideout TV. So you will first need to sign up to Hideout TV. I already have an account, so I would just log in. Once you've watched enough videos, you can go to the reward section there. And it looks like I got a little bonus. Right, so now I can redeem my points to GrabPoints, but also to different websites like YCents, Swagbucks, Reward XP, and Gain.gg. Then click on Start Redeem Process. And now I can choose where I want my points to be transferred. In Hideout TV, I have 45 points, but it will be converted to 35 points in GrabPoints, 2 cents in YCents or Swagbucks, 450 points in Reward XP, and 40 points in Gain.gg. And then you just need to redeem the balance and it will be added to whichever you choose. So I have tested this before and you won't be earning many points, but it's a way to get a bit of passive income if you just let the videos running while you do other things on your computer. Okay, and now I will go to the gift cards and cash section, where you can convert your points into cash or gift cards. What you see here are the options we have in Ireland. so it might be different depending on where you live. My favorite way to cash out is PayPal because I can then transfer the money directly into my bank account and spend it however and whenever I like. Gift cards often have a limited amount of time before they expire, so that's the reason I usually don't choose them. But feel free to use any other option that might be interesting to you. So the minimum withdrawal amount is only $5, which means you only need to earn 4,500 points to withdraw your first $5, which is what I did last month, as you can see here in the reward section. The $5 PayPal option is worth 5,150 points, so it costs 150 more than other options, such as the Visa prepaid card that only costs 5,000. This is worth it if you live in the US because you won't be paying that 2% currency conversion fee. And this is the email I received from them when I redeemed my $5 last month. They call it a gift card even though it was a PayPal transfer. They also mention here that it takes 2 to 5 business days to be processed and that they don't send rewards on weekends. However, as you can see from this email, I received mine on a Saturday, on November 14th, 2020. And here's the payment in my PayPal account. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and don't forget to put a thumbs up if you like this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon for another video.